Hey, hi, my name is Valentine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a realistic cherry. So make sure that you watch this video until the end to have a better understanding. Step 1, I'm going to draw my sketch real quick. And then I'll begin by shading the background with a soft cosmetic brush. Later on, I grab a tissue to emphasize on my background. To create a smooth background, I grab again my soft cosmetic brush. I darken the outlines since they tend to disappear after blending. I start my first layer with an HB pencil. Starting my first layer with an HB pencil gives me the stamina to shade. And then I blend with the tissue paper to get a smooth result. I grab a 4B pencil to emphasize on my layers. Now I realize that to speed up my process, I have to use charcoal powder. I am blending charcoal powder with a dry brush. While using a dry brush, make sure that you apply a little pressure so that you don't mess up with the values. Now, to draw a realistic drawing, make sure you observe the reference picture critically. Put the values in their right position. Where it is dark, use dark pencils like 6B, 8B pencils, soft charcoal pencils or charcoal powder. On the highlights, use erasers like Mono Zero eraser and Jelly Roll white pen. I forgot to mention erasers like electric eraser and kneaded eraser for soft highlights. And if you do that, you will see contrast in your drawing. And contrast is the golden rule in art. Now I grab a Mono Zero eraser to put lighter values. Now I'm going to draw water drops on the cherry, and this will make the cherry look wet. By the way, I have another video on how to draw water drops. You can check it out at the end of this video. And right now I'm drawing the reflection of the cherry, and I am using a soft charcoal pencil, which is easy to blend. I'm letting charcoal with a dry brush in a circular motion for easy blending. Every artist can draw realistic drawing, but what makes us different is some artists are impatient and others are patient. So, with realistic drawing, you have to be so patient. Hey, I have nothing else to say apart from saying thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like the content for future content like this one.